Meet AnyMote. AnyMote allows you to effortlessly control all of your infrared and Wi-Fi devices, TVs, cable boxes, sound systems, Blu-rays and media players, video projectors, cameras, home lights, and all your smart connected devices. Connect your phone to AnyMote and control your home the way you like. Use the AnyMote dashboard or use the widget on your home screen. If you prefer to talk, connect AnyMote to Amazon Echo and just say, "Alexa, tell AnyMote to turn on my TV." Or you don't have to do anything at all. AnyMote is smart. For example, AnyMote can detect when you arrive home and take care of everything for you. Turn your lights on after sunset. Mute your speakers when you're getting a call. Movie night? No problem. You get the point. Any device, one remote. AnyMote.
We use technology. We rely on it. It connects us to what we care about. Yet there are times when we find ourselves on our own again. What if you could charge your device using only a candle? All you need is water, a candle, then plug in and charge. It's dependable and provides an instant source of power when you need it most. Now, no matter where you are or whatever happens to the electricity, the candle charger will be there to keep you connected.
Hi Kickstarter, it's Adam from Stower. We've been really happy with the progress we've made since our first campaign, and we're excited to bring you something new. The candle charger is an emergency preparedness product, which means that you don't know that you need it until you really need it. We can't wait to see what you guys do with it.
Meet Roadie, the ultimate tool for the guitarist. This little device connects to a mobile app via Bluetooth and can actually perform the tuning for you quickly and accurately in 3 simple steps. Turn on the mobile app and place your phone in front of your guitar. Place Roadie on the guitar peg. Strum the string and let Roadie do the rest. And if you're tuning an electric guitar, you can also directly plug it into our adapter, making it easier to tune in very noisy environments. Roadie is small and can fit in your pocket. You can use it with all of your guitars and even tune other stringed instruments equipped with guitar machine heads, such as ukuleles, mandolins, you name it. The accompanying mobile app opens up a new dimension of your music. Switch to drop D tuning in seconds, or even a completely different tuning like Open G in less than a minute. And if you prefer to tune slightly sharp or flat, it is also easy to create your own custom tunings. Roadie is simple, straightforward, and 3 times more accurate than the human ear. The app can keep track of the elasticity and tonal signature of your strings to determine the quality and let you know when it's time for new ones. So when it's time to restring, Roadie can quickly unwind and wind the strings for you. Our goal is to offer you, the musician, not just a tuner, but a system that can help fuel your passion for music. This is what Roadie is all about.
Hi, I'm Bassam, and music has always been an important part of my life. When I was young, I learned to play the oud, which is a 12-string instrument. This is when I realized that tuning is essential and can be difficult to do without help. So I needed more than just a tuner, but rather an assistant that could enhance my musical experience.
We've been working on Rodee's technology for 2 years now and recently moved to China as part of the Hackcelerator program, the premier tech incubator for hardware startups. We've selected a contract manufacturer who's helped us finalize our hardware and electronic design. Now we're looking ahead to ways we can improve the music experience using our mobile app. Join us now by backing our campaign and getting your own Rodee.
What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.
If you haven't checked out Google Home yet, it has quickly become one of the coolest pieces of smart home tech out right now. It works great if you want to set a timer, know the weather, play music, but what it also works crazy well with is controlling lighting. And because Philips is the first lighting partner to work with Google Home, the control you get over your lights is seamless.
Sure, turning 8 lights on.
Now admittedly, setting up tech isn't always the easiest, but pairing Google Home with Hue is one of the quickest, simplest experiences I've ever had. In the Home Control section of the Google Home app, hit the plus symbol in the bottom right-hand corner, select Philips Hue, hit pair, and then press the button on your Hue bridge.
12 seconds later.
Once your bridge is discovered, you can then assign individual lights to rooms and also set nicknames, but beyond that, you are ready to go. What sticks out to me though is how responsive and how instant Google Home reacts to changing the lights. Okay Google, turn off all the lights.
Okay, turning 8 lights off.
Okay Google, turn all the lights orange.
Sure, changing 8 lights to orange.
Okay Google, dim the lights to 25%.
Sure, setting 8 lights brightness to 25%.
So if you already have a Google Home and Philips Hue, you can see exactly how simple it is to get them to work together. Whether you want to control all the lights, individual lights, change colors, dim, brighten, it all works insanely well.